Okay. Today I'm trying out a new camera, so let's go over a subject I've been wanting to talk to you guys about. And let me grab my pants up here. Come on. Come on. And what I want to go over today is striping, or the safety striping. Now, these are a set of motorcycle pants I got, Icon, and on this outside edge, you can see right here, I've had sewn in these reflective tape. I get it in these rolls like this. Now this one's a plastic one. It's got a good amount of reflectiveness to it, but the problem is you start putting this in the wash and drying this thing, and being plastic, it just turns to crap. I got another one. Yeah. Come on, let go. And let's bring that out and show it. Now you see this one's cloth with the reflective piece down there. This is also sewn on. Now, get my stuff together. Trying to look presentable. This I like. It tends to live a little bit longer than this one does. Get that camera down lower. Both of these have been sewn on. I have been able to glue this one on, and the glue will kind of wrinkle it up, but it still works good. This one I haven't tried to glue as of yet. Now, like I said, I put these on the outside edge. This is that edge that you'll be seeing when I wear my pants like that, because that's the outside edge. And I got a jacket over here. Let me grab it and go over this with you. Now, you can see this is that reflective tape that I'm holding right here. This was glued on, and it really looks good at night. But you can see it kind of wrinkled it up. The glue that I'm talking about is this E6000. I got it over at Hobby Lobby, and it does have a stink with it. When you're putting this reflective striping on, parchment paper is your friend. What you want to do is cut your piece out. You'll take the lid off and go over all the edges and around that. And two things you could do: put like a book on it and a bunch of weights, or put a board on top and bottom, or top and bottom, and then put a wood clamp and squeeze it together, but make sure that is on top of it, because that'll catch a lot of your glue, is that parchment paper. Wax paper is the same thing. Now, for an example, you see I put this one on here, and you see all this shiny stuff on the side. That's where the glue came out, but I used that paint, cloth paint, and I painted it up so it kind of blends in. But E6000, it's been working. This is nylon, and I haven't tried and a lot of these patches have the backing. It's kind of a plastic backing on it, to where they're made to iron on. I don't do iron on because they don't last. This one, you see, I did a long one. I just put a lot of weights and stuff on it. You can feel some of the glue got on top of it, but it worked out pretty good still. But this article is about, or this it's about, putting reflective stuff on your motorcycle equipment. These are motorcycle pants. They have some ballistic stuff in them, mostly in the seat area and down to the knees. And I try to wear them, whenever I'm out riding, because you never can tell when you're going to need that. So, anyhow, just showing you guys some options. A lot of people don't know how to sew, so this will probably be your friend right here, E6000. It's not that expensive, but I do warn you, it's got a smell to it. But anyhow, hope this helps you guys out. Anyhow, you guys have a good one, and we'll see you on the next video.